Welcome to ET Telecom India Mobile Conclave 2021. The telecommunication industry in India is rapidly growing and witnessing many developments. It has gone through several transformations that has led to severe competition in the industry. As India prepares to use smart technologies to transform cities into smart cities and make the big leap to being a superpower, 5G is expected to be a key driver for Industrial Revolution 4.0. Today at India Mobile Conclave, we have top minds from the government and the industry to talk about new technological innovations, how 5G will make a better tomorrow, and boosting the domestic industry via PLI scheme and Open RAN. The hashtag for this conclave is ETIMC. Join us on social media to share all the learnings and highlights using the same hashtag. Also, it's my pleasure to thank all the partners who have joined us for this event. On behalf of ET Telecom, I would like to thank all of you. Powered by partner Navanir, in association with Nokia, Gold partners VMware and STL, Silver partner ServiceNow, Event Tech partner Vconfix. Now, without delaying further, I would like to invite Mansi Taneja, Associate Editor, ettelecom.com, for a welcome address. Over to you, Mansi.
Hello and welcome to the fourth edition of the India Mobile Conclave. This year, we are joined by top industry leaders and policymakers to talk about new technological innovations, how 5G will make a better tomorrow, and the boost to the domestic industry. As you all know, the telecom sector has transformed completely over the last 2 decades. Needless to say that the telecom industry has proved its prominence during the COVID times by enabling millions of offices, small enterprises, and people to work remotely while keeping families connected. But in an always connected world, telcos need to ensure a fast and secure network which people can trust. Digitization, innovation, and building secure networks with a monetization strategy is the way forward. Without much ado, I, on the behalf of entire ET Telecom team, welcome you all once again. Look forward to insightful discussions all throughout the day. Over to you, Annie.
Thank you, Mansi, for the brief introduction of the concept. Now, as the context is set, we'll start with our first session. Dear viewers, you can drop your sessions-related questions in the chat box. Our experts are here to answer them. Now, let's proceed further. The telecom industry has changed and will continue to evolve. With the acceleration of IoT and 5G, telecom is undergoing a digital transformation in both technologies powering the industry and guiding how they interact with customers. In the upcoming keynote address, we'll hear from Ravinder Thakkar, MD and CEO, Vodafone Idea Limited, sharing his inputs on telecom sector and how it will drive digital future of India. Welcome, Mr. Thakkar.
Good morning, friends and industry colleagues. I'm happy to be addressing another session of the ET Telecom India Mobile Conclave at a time when our nation is riding the wave of digitalization brought about by the investment and innovation undertaken by the telecom industry. The next few quarters will further see trials of 5G and India-specific use cases that will determine the shape of things in the coming years. Therefore, I believe that sharing ideas and views in this conclave will only benefit the industry and the nation at large. We know that India is the world's second largest telecommunication market, with a subscriber base in excess of 1.1 billion. The sector has catalyzed the digital economy in the last 18 months and is expected to contribute 8% to India's GDP in 2022. From approximately 6.5% in physical 20. With over 600 million people using smartphones in this country, consuming more than 14 gigabyte data per user per month, we have truly empowered the citizens of this country. Today, as I talk to you on the eve of the first anniversary of Vi, the youngest telecom brand in the country, I reflect on the year gone by. In my view, two terms have defined us since our brand launch on 7th September, which are collaboration and customer centricity. Born amongst the pandemic, when our frontline network warriors braved all odds to keep people and businesses connected, Vi has constantly delivered on its promise of building a better tomorrow for our customers. For us, it has been 1 year of collaborating to enable Indians to get ahead in life, bringing the best in technology, services, and solutions for the digital Indian and digital Bharat. Our relentless efforts helped us remain the fastest 4G network in the country for 3 consecutive quarters in the year of the pandemic. We continue to aid the government's effort to fight the pandemic and strongly support the vaccination drive in the country. Through our deep-rooted association with the Common Service Centers of the Minister of Electronics and IT, we have now opened registration for members of vulnerable sections of the society to receive COVID vaccine. We aim to vaccinate 1 million people through this collaborative effort. Further, we have integrated COVID Slot Finder on the Vi app to facilitate information on vaccine slot availability for millions of our users. We have been enabling frontline workers such as police, municipal corporations, and healthcare workers from ASHA to Anganwadi to stay connected, safe, and productive. We have been a steadfast partner to governments, corporates, and small businesses to drive digital adoption at an accelerated pace. We believe collaboration is the key to growth of this multidimensional sector, and we in particular. The success of Indian telecom sector over the last 25 years has been as a result of collaborative efforts of the ecosystem players and the government of India. Through our collaborative efforts, we have made India a global power by connecting every Indian with the power of mobile telephony. Our next big goal is to digitally connect every citizen and every machine to make India's dream of a $5 trillion economy powered by $1 trillion digital economy a reality. To cater to the ever-growing needs of 1 billion plus Indians, we need to collaborate to bring value and choice for our customers. Powered by data, the new age customer is constantly seeking choice in every aspect of consumption, from smartphone to application to content to any other service. Vi is striving to bring the choice of devices, content, and digital services to our customers through our partnerships with the best in area of skill development, career guidance, education, healthcare, OEM, and OTTs. Our differentiated offerings, such as Vi Hero Unlimited, let our customers choose when and how much data they want to use. Having partnered with technology innovations to bring the best 4G experience to 1 billion Indians, we are now set to take our customers on the next journey of technology evolution. The impending 5G will connect billions of machines in an interconnected world. The ultra-low latency 5G technology is expected to transform mission-critical applications in the area of Industry 4.0, smart cities, healthcare, transportation, defense, surveillance, agriculture, and many, many more. Consumers will experience this technology in gaming applications and augmented reality, e-commerce, and several other areas. We are already in trials of 5G technology along with our partners in Pune and Gandhinagar regions. Focus is now on testing India-specific use cases, which can take our country into another exciting transformation journey over the next decade. The transformative power of these technologies is already visible in several critical areas, such as education, healthcare, agriculture, women, and child safety. The future connected India with smart cities and riding on technologies such as M2M, IoT, AI, robotics, etc., will soon be a reality, founded on our robust telecom and digital infrastructure. As we transform from a telco to a techco, cloud and IoT services have been central to our growth strategy. We continue to derive tremendous synergies from our relationship with Vodafone Group, a global leader in the IoT segment. Our integrated IoT solutions from smart infrastructure, smart mobility, and smart utilities is a strategic step to provide end-to-end seamless IoT experience for Indian enterprises. In addition to powering utilities, we are also witnessing IoT adoption by the electric vehicle industry, as well as manufacturing and automotive companies. We realize that security adoption is key to operate confidently in this hybrid working world. Our suite of holistic and secure solutions are building on partnerships with ecosystems and witnessing good adoption among our enterprise customers. And now, as we prepare for phenomenal rise in digital adoption over the next 5 years, the country needs a judicious set of policies and regulations that are conducive to creating new opportunities and unleashing the true potential of the Indian telecom sector. The industry needs to be financially robust to invest and accelerate the achievement of Digital India vision. The policies of the Government of India have helped shape consumer demand and growth in the telecom sector. To kick off another technology revolution in the country, there is a critical need to reform driven by prudent policies and some adjustments in the industry dynamics. Appropriate steps are imperative for the viability of the sector and establishing a thriving 3 private plus 1 PSU player structure, something that is acknowledged as necessary to meet the digital aspirations of 1.3 billion Indian citizens. I'm hopeful that the authorities will take necessary measures to address the concerns of the industry. In the end, I would like to say that the industry and we is guided by what our customers and enterprises want, and we will continue to deliver in the interest of the Indian consumer. Thank you, ET Telecom, for getting the industry together at this platform, and wish you a successful event during the day ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Thakkar, for sharing your knowledge about the topic. Certainly very informative. Ladies and gentlemen, do take out time and visit the expo area to explore useful information shared by the partners at their booth. Now we'll move further. Stay connected to your systems.